In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smooth your digital brush strokes with stabilization. If you've ever drawn a line and seen tiny jitters or wobble you didn't intend, stabilization is your best friend. It helps the software gently correct shaky hand movement so your strokes look cleaner, more confident, and more professional without forcing you to change your drawing style. Start by selecting your pen or brush tool, the exact tool you use to ink or paint. This matters because stabilization is usually set per tool or sub-tool. If you have multiple pens or brushes, choose the one you actually draw with most, since the setting will apply specifically to that tool. With your tool active, open the tool property window and look for a setting labeled stabilization. In some apps, it may appear as smoothing or correction, but it's the same idea. A control that influences how much the software interprets and tidies your strokes. If you don't see it right away, expand the properties or click the little settings icon in that panel to reveal additional options. Now increase the stabilization value. The rule of thumb is simple. Higher numbers smooth out shaky strokes more. What's happening under the hood is that the software averages your input over a short period, filtering out micro movements. The trade-off is responsiveness. Very high stabilization can introduce a slight delay or make tight corners feel a bit rounded, which can be great for long curves, but less ideal for precise detailing. This is where testing comes in. Make a few quick strokes at different stabilization levels and pay attention to how they feel. Try slow and fast lines, small circles, and long arcs. If your lines look clean but you notice lag, dial the value down a little. If your lines still wobble, nudge it up. Aim for the spot where the stroke looks smooth but still follows your hand naturally. A tablet stylus, a display tablet, or a mouse can each feel different, so don't be surprised if your sweet spot varies by device. Also test at the zoom level you typically draw at, since line behavior can feel different at 100% versus zoomed in. Take your time and make small adjustments, then draw a few lines to compare. You can even keep a quick test canvas with sample strokes so you can judge the difference side by side. Once you find a balance that feels right, stick with it for a session and see how it performs across sketching, inking, and hatching. That's it. Select your tool, locate stabilization, raise the value, and test until it feels just right. Smooth lines, less wobble, and more control.